Uh, Alright, I am finally back, guys. Axis 8 Gaming here with more Final Fantasy 15, but I have a few announcements. First of all, this was a biatch put together. It's been months. I am completely out of practice, so if I have audio glitches, I guess that's what I'm gonna be known for, and it sucks, but well, I think I need a new capture card, and that's gonna have to wait a while. I don't have the money for that right now. There we go, okay. Anyway. Number two, I'm gonna change a few things on my channel because due to past issues I've had, my House of Ashes finally got messed up. My last video for Devil May Cry 4 got messed up. I'm sick of these audio things screwing me over. And so I don't know if my House of Ashes gameplay is gonna be uploaded. I would love for it to. But with a 2.5-hour video again with nothing but crackling audio from my microphone, and no one wants to hear that for 2.5 hours. So I either re-record it and lose the genuine first-time experience, just so everyone can hear it, or I upload it like it is, and I honestly really don't like that idea. That being said, there was something else. Oh yeah. Sorry. I actually have been heavily considering streaming videos. I don't know if I will, but I do have a Twitch account that's just not really used. I've had it for like at least a year now. But the reason why is because, for those of you who know, I play Final Fantasy 14 a lot. And, the new 6.1 patch is coming out on the 12th. It's about 9 days from now. I'm hoping it will help with my advertising and view count, but the amount of issues I'm having with this whole thing, I don't know if I should. So I have to think about that some more. Worst case scenario, I do it with the next major patch, which will be 7.0 in a couple years. But so yeah, that's out of the way. If that does become a thing though, I will probably post my Twitch account in the description for whatever video it's gonna become part of. Sorry. I'm really. It took so long to set this up, I've actually started falling asleep when I was doing it, so yeah. That's why I'm sounding the way I sound right now. What else? There's something else. Well, either way, like I was saying, I'm gonna change a few things up. I will still finish Man of Medan. Hopefully that goes well. And I actually kind of want to finish that. I have several other games downloaded. Final Fantasy VII Remake is one of them. I know I'm a few years late playing that, but oh well. People are still doing it, so why can't I, right? I look at the camera and stuff there. And now back to today's current video, Final Fantasy 15, as you can see. If I remember correctly, since it's, oh yeah, real quick, one more thing. It took me so long because, as you can see, I have a new space for this. So, there's a bit of an echo. I don't think there is, but if there is, I guess that's fine. But, I'm still sorting this area out. Yeah, now back to what I was saying. Final Fantasy 15. If I recall, last time I left off, I was following Arden somewhere, or I had just gotten done doing that. I don't know, I don't remember. That being said, I completely forgot how to play this game, so I'm messing up a lot. I may even run around for a bit, just to get used to controls again. But, yeah, I don't think there's anything else, but I am very happy playing this game again because I haven't played it this entire time, so wherever I left off from months ago is where I still am in the game. So, I didn't want to leave anything out. I think that's it. if I remember anything else, hopefully I will say it at the end of the video. But, yeah, so past videos, I don't know what you're calling that. A lot of it would involve re-recording, but I just don't want to have to go through it again. Just in case it were to happen all over again, with my luck. But yeah, so I may stop uploading some certain videos for a while, and I may just stop doing it altogether. But yeah, it's really frustrating experience for me, and I'm sorry about that. So enough of that. Let's get on with it. Let's jump back into Final Fantasy 15 and see what's going on now. Shoot, what was I? 37, 34, 37. I guess this one. Okay. Oh my god, it's still going. I do not remember it taking this long. Oh god, here we go. Okay. Let me get used to stuff again real quick. Sorry. Options, is that it? No, that's not what I want. That's a big bug. Okay. Find quests, current release. I mean, I remember what they are, but... what else? Chapter 8 and onward. What chapter am I on? 0. Okay. No, everyone's gonna stay where they are for right now. Let's see, I'm gonna take pictures with prompt toe, but I don't remember how 6, 8. I am broke as fuck. Alright. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, that's how you run this all. Oh, that's how okay, that's the camera. Okay, alright, okay, no, okay. Great, I remember that, yes, I just came back. Okay. I'm going this way. I need to go this way. Oh. Sorry. Oh, yeah, there we go. What is it? That's the first room. Crap. Wait, what is this? Hold on, what am I? No, I don't want that. Oh, crap. What is. Oh, no. What is one.
First Titan, now Rama. Chasing down deities is hard work.
Think how Lady Lunafreya must feel.
If the strain of the rites is as Gentia suggested,
like that. Okay.
I fear she's far worse off than we are.
Oh god, no! I keep doing that. I'm so used to Final Fantasy 14. I'm sorry. Okay, you don't hit that button. You hit that button. There we go. Okay, that's how you attack. We don't want that sword. We want that sword. All right. Yeah. Okay, that's that. That's jump. That's working right. And that's dodge. All right.
How come that lady's helping you out anyway?
Gentiana?
Yeah, is she like your very godmother or something? I think she's more a messenger of the gods. Whoa.
Wait, why am I running? Hold on. My car. Where's my car? No, that's not what I want. Where is the damn car? Where gets the car? Bring out the map. Let me do that. Oh shit. I was on level 10 though. What level am I on? I don't know. I don't know what level I'm on. I don't know anything. I don't remember anything. No. No, no, no! Oh, don't lock on. Okay, I gotta get... Oh, motherfucker. So let's dodge again with the dodge. R1. R2. Open menu, hold on. Save that. Map. Ah! It said map. In front of the rest point. Where's that? Where's the car? Can't return to the car. Well, that's a problem.
After Rama, we go see Leviathan, right?
Indeed. I dare say Lady Lunafreya seeks the Hydrian as we speak.
Which means another rite, and a heavier burden. Hope she can hold up.
So it's Rama in this game and Ramu in FF14. A little inconsistent, but okay. Turn left. Alright. Oh, there we go. Let's go see it.
Yeah!
Oh, there it is. Sorry. Somewhere. Can I get the car back here? Because this is really driving me crazy.
We better find shelter before we catch cold.
Good idea.
Ah, good to see you again.
I don't want all that with how I play this game. Confusion. There's nothing. There's food. There's Toad. I thought I'd keep that. Oops. Oh, is that equipped on anything? I will give that to you guys.
Thanks.
Should I actually save this stuff or just... I think I should save that. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I have a lot of these. So... 5? Ah! That's not my fault. This is 1,000. I'm gonna make a mistake by selling these. High price, it's ultra 50 gil. Oh, it's fishing thing. Okay. Why? I don't know what it is. Okay, 2 of these.
Thanks.
Okay. Got 5 of these. Go. That was all. Or not. Let's just buy it.
See you next time.
Where is my damn car? Oh, what's this? Oh, wait. Oh, I know what this is.
I'm done. Yeah, broke a few bones in there.
Ready or not? Oh, love the lighting.
Huh? Something happened. And I should have watched my last video. I might know where I left the car. Because I can't call it. And that's a problem. Yeah, I wasn't smart on that. Oh well.
Let's roll.
Yep.
I don't have a choice. What's this? Fiery flames used to save release of basically to ask for we probably stand relevant for strokeness.
That's it!
What's what?
I've come up with a new recipe.
Can't wait to try it.
What'd I do? Hey. I love them, they're free, thank you. Righty. On the car yet. Oh, I cannot. Alright, what's wrong?
We're still gonna visit the other royal tombs, right?
Of course.
God,
We've simply
what is
gone
that?
off-road for a spell.
Noct could definitely use a hand from his ancestors.
The dead can wait, but gods aren't always forgiving. Beautiful Julian waiting. How are we? Getting by.
Wrap up this rumble.
I need now. Eyes peeled, mouth closed.
Extraordinary, Gladio.
What did you expect?
Nothing to it.
Alright, go. I'm sorry, I'm not sorry, I need to practice. I have to watch my other videos to sign over where I left the car because I don't remember what the hell I did. Or how I got to where it was. Oh god, alright.
Careful, don't let him get you.
Same to you.
Ouch. The button, the button. Oh god. What the hell is that?
Watch the enemy's movements. Got it.
very much alive.
Okay, that was weird. Can you do this chain thing again? R1, L1, getting R2, L2, jeez. This way. Oh yeah, let's go work out, no dice. Alright. We're on the map, what is it? I've gotta do that. Alright, teleport places.
So what's next? Ask around a little?
It's up to knocked.
Oh, no. Let's do that real quick.
Could crash right here.
I need it. Let's see. Where's the other code? Fishing, I haven't done that in a while. Same shot. Oh, hello.
Hey, this one's pretty good.
I know. I dig it too.
Interesting shot. When did you kind of take that? Actually happened.
Nailed it.
Why can't I warp too? So unfair.
Better make tracks. Chop chop, Prompto.
There in a jiffy!
Oh shit, I'm gonna pass it. Go. Getting this.
Your ancestors have our backs, and the gods are on our side. How cool is that?
Very, when you put it that way.
Empire'll get what's coming to them.
Certainly doesn't seem as unlikely as it once did.
Getting lost. This map is like hard to read. I forgot how to switch character. No. Mid battle. L2. Oh. Can't do it now.
That one was pretty close.
Which means we must be as well. That's it!
What's up, Iggy?
I've come up with a new recipe.
Can't wait to try it.
Look, over there. I bet that's the spot lightning struck.
And we're supposed to go inside? Here we are, Fosha Hollow.
No telling what waits inside.
Stay sharp.
Always.
Hold on. There's a rest spot nearby. Okay. Where's this?
Rock and roll!
Get up. Okay. Alright. Ah. Okay. Ooh, I might need that. I can use this. Yeah, sure. Okay. What am I changing here? Oh, I'm changing. Let's do it. Oh no, it's all okay. I see now. I think he's in dire need of that. Oh god, how do you know? Yeah, okay. Alright. That could be really helpful. Do that. Oh. What's the magic view of the person? The enemies or radio? They're almost there. We'll wait. I'm gonna sell any of these. Nice. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Okay. Alright. That's it. Alright. Yeah, 30 more. This will cost me each. Oh, this is already done. Okay. Nah. Yeah, I can afford that. Okay. I can afford that. Oh, it's in here. Sure. Right in there, right? Yeah. 9. I'm not going to do anything with them. Stays down to attacks. That's cool. Let's do it. Mid-air. Awesome. Alright, I think that's all I'm gonna get done. Alright. There's a run of base. This is something else. remember that, yes. Oh, way over there. When you say exciting, what do you mean exactly? I need to know where the core is. This ain't telling me. Okay, I guess we're gonna be in this for a bit. Alright. So, yeah. Let's see. Oh shit, my bad. Oh well. Oh, that's really all I have time for today. Sorry for that stretch. Okay. I wanted to play longer, but things went awry, so unfortunately, that's all I have time for today. And it's getting late. So yeah, that was interesting. I basically spent the whole time getting used to the controls again, and some story progression, not much, I'm sorry about that, but hopefully next time we'll get much more accomplished, and I will have to watch my last video to find out where I left the car because I can't find it, and I can't call it, so that's a problem. I don't know what's wrong there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm really happy to be playing this game again, and I will try and upload again starting with this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.